man, he ain't looking too good in there. Smells like fucking. Oh man, God. Oh, round two. Ooh. Oh my god, dude.
Listen, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Do you have a puncher, like an extra one?
No, he had too much of. He had too much of the Jimmy Johns.
Rotten twat.
Oh, good God, man.
God, dude. I am so sorry.
Oh, dude, you clean that bathroom up next time.
There's some pubes on the seat, too.
That might have been from me.
Oh. Light a match in here. God damn it.
Well, got some cigars. Man, take that shit outside.
Okay, I'm gonna have to. Do you have a wiping device?
Me some bone wads?
Yeah.
Nope, not in there.
You ain't got no shit wad?
I might run out.
I'm gonna need another shit roll.
Yeah, another goddamn fucking enema.
Oh, feels like I just had one.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh, I need to wipe my ass. Oh my. Oh.
Holy shit, man.